Hi, my name is Jane and this is Loopy Mabel's Closet, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and then you'll be kept up to date with all the videos that I bring out. Here on this channel, it's all about me and my handmade wardrobe, my journey towards a full handmade wardrobe. So I hope you enjoy watching and following me along. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my 3 sewing plans I've got. I've got 3 patterns with the fabrics that I've got in mind, and I thought I'd just share them with you. So I shall see you here for sewing chatter in a moment. Welcome back, and before we start, I just wanted to explain what I'm wearing today. As I said before, I am trying towards having a 100% handmade wardrobe, or if it's not 100% handmade, it will be recycled and upcycled too. So this blouse I've got on is a charity shop find. I in fact got this about a year and a half ago, and I never wore it. I think I paid £2 for it in the charity shop. I never wore it because when I got it home, it didn't fit me. It was far too tight. And I thought, well, I'm not going to take it back because I got it from the charity shop and it was only £2. So I've kept it in the wardrobe, hoping one day that I would get into it. And I've just gone to my local slimming club this morning. I go there every Friday morning, Slimming World, if you've heard of Slimming World. And I've just got my Club 10 award. Which is 10% of my body weight, and I've lost £20 in total. So I was really pleased. I think I've got £1 to go and I'll get my 1.5 stone award, or £21. So I'm hoping to get that next week. So I just thought I'd try this top on, thinking, well, you know, I've got my certificate, I've stuck it on the fridge, sure enough, straight on, fits lovely. So that's what I'm wearing. It's not me made, but it's certainly charity, so it's upcycle, I suppose, or recycle. So that's what I'm wearing today. And Mabel the mannequin, she is wearing my handmade Sarah shirt, which I made a few weeks ago. So she is proudly wearing the Sarah shirt, and obviously Mabel is me, so the measurements on Mabel is my measurements. So hopefully Mabel will get twiddled a bit with a few more times with the knobs at the side, and eventually go in a little bit more, hopefully. So on to my sewing projects. Well, I've been wanting to try a jersey fabric for some time. I haven't stitched with jersey for ages, way before I come back to dressmaking. I've been back into dressmaking about a year now, year and a bit. So it's longer than that, and I usually sew with cottons, ditzy prints, or maybe linens, or maybe cotton poplin, those type of fabrics. And I just thought, oh, I just fancy a change. So I went online and I went on to this wonderful fabric site called Dragonfly Fabrics. Spotted this fabulous stretch fabric, couldn't resist it. And I'm just going to show you it now. Got 2.5 meters, and I absolutely love this fabric. It's got a touch of oriental theme, don't you think? And that's what inspired me when I saw it for the pattern that I had in mind. So I'll show you the pattern. And it's for like a kimono style. It's called the Almada Relaxed Robe, and I got this from the Seam Work website. I subscribe to that website, and you can then download lots of patterns. There's free patterns on there too, but anyway, this is the one I've just downloaded, and it is the Almada robe. Now I think it's probably more designed for night, like a night robe, dressing gown type of lounge robe, but I've got my mind to make it into something that I could wear over my jeans. So that's what I'm going to make it for, with this fabulous oriental theme type of fabric, and these colours are just so bright, quite bright for me because I'm normally more subtle, old-fashioned colours, but I'm trying to broaden my horizons and you know, do other things, trying to challenge myself and maybe do things that I wouldn't normally do and pick fabrics that I probably wouldn't normally pick, and this is certainly one of them. But I can't wait to get going on this. I absolutely love it. As I say, I've got 2.5 meters, which is just enough to do this pattern, and I'll just show you it close up. I will pop some pictures in too so you can see without me moving the fabric about, but just love those colours. So that's the fabric, and as I say, this is the Almada robe, which I've downloaded, and I'll show you the drawing picture so you can also see too, if you couldn't quite catch the picture before. Obviously there's the back and the front, but I just love that detailing, that tie detailing, and I think in this stretch jersey fabric, I think that's going to look gorgeous. So I can't wait. And I don't think there's many pieces. I think there's 1, 2, probably 3, 4 pieces and the tie. By the looks of it, I think it might be quite a quick make too. So yeah, and I'll just give you a bit more detail on the fabrics that it recommends. The fabric recommends lightweight woven fabrics, poplin, satin or crepe de chine, but optional knit fabrics, French terry, jersey knit. So when I saw the optionals, I thought, right, I'm going to try this jersey knit. So that's why I chose this fabric. Like I say, I'm trying to stretch myself, and the fabric is called, it's by Art Gallery, and it's a jersey fabric, and it's called Wonderland Enchanted Leaves. So this is what I'm planning to make first and foremost, the Almada gown in this oriental type feel stretch fabric. So watch this space with this. I've got an idea in my head. I'm going to wear it with my jeans rolled up, long sleeve probably t-shirt underneath, and my clogs. So I've got the picture of exactly what I'm going to wear it with in my head. So once it's made, I'll show you hopefully a picture of me wearing all those items. So that's the Almada robe. Now the second thing I've got my eye on is another PDF pattern that I've downloaded. This is from True Bias, and this is the Roscoe blouse and dress. Hope you can see that okay. And it's got 3 different options, and I'm going to go for the blouse again because I've got quite a lot of like smock length dresses in my wardrobe, so I'm trying to maybe change a few of the things that I've got, and I'm going to go for this blouse length. I love the detailing on the neck, like a little gathered tie on the neck, and the gathered little detailing on the sleeves. And the fabric again, if you're interested, was a lightweight or a woven fabric such as voile, rayon, crepe de chine, lightweight linen or gauze. So lightweight linen, well, I have chose this floral, well, it's classed as a French chambray, but I'm not sure whether it really is a French chambray. But I've had this for quite a while, and I thought that would go really nice with the Roscoe blouse. And it's got butterflies on it, and it's got like old-fashioned English roses on like a linen colour background with subtle, really subtle subdued colours. So this is more what I would normally pick anyway, but I'm going to go for the blouse because I've been making far too many smocks, and I'm going to go for something a little bit shorter, and that maybe shows my figure off a little bit more. Now I've lost 20 pounds, so that's why I'm going to pick that one. I hope I've got enough on this roll. I think I have enough. So this is the fabric I'm going to use for the Roscoe blouse. So that's going to be my second make. I mean, I'll just show you the difference. These are the this is my normal fabric that I would pick. Very old-fashioned style, old-fashioned colours, subdued colours against this new fabric. So quite different for me, but I just think it's really bright, and I think it might work quite well. So it's going to be quite a change for me. So I'm really looking forward to having a go at sewing with that fabric. So that's going to be the Roscoe blouse. And my last make, I am a guest blogger on the Minerva Crafts website. It's an English-based website, Minerva Crafts, and they have a blogger network, and they also have a blog. They invited me to be a guest blogger over on the blog, and what happens is every few weeks they send you a list of the fabrics that they'd like you to make something with, and they will send it to you free of charge. In return, that you make the item and then send them a blog post with lots of pictures and lots of descriptions of what you made, how you made it, and obviously lots of pictures of the finished result. So I was really excited when they invited me to be a guest blogger, and I've done 2 blog posts for them so far. One was my Pretty Bolero blouse. I'll pop the pictures up there for you. And the second one was my Wilder gown in a Christmas reindeer fabric, and I'll pop the picture for that up there too. I have done 2 videos on those, but they're over on my Loopy Mabel Crochet channel, because obviously I've just diversified slightly and I can't bring that video over now. So I'll put the link for that video as well in the description box, so you can still go and have a look at the Wilder gown I did in the reindeer fabric, and also my Pretty Bolero fabric blouse I did too. So this time round, Minerva Crafts put out another list of fabrics, and I not foolishly, but I viewed it on my phone, and so the list was really tiny. Clicked the links for the fabrics and they'd come up on my phone. Didn't like that one, then I saw one that I liked, and I have got 4 cats, and the one I liked that came up had like little cats on it, and I thought, oh, that would be cute. I'll get the little cats and I'll make something quirky, because they looked really old-fashioned, these little cats, and I thought, oh, I could probably make something with that. I'm not into anything gimmicky, but I thought, oh, it'd be quite cute, make something with that. So ordered the fabric, it came in the post, and I'll show you the fabric. It is lovely fabric, but it certainly isn't me, and it's certainly not something that I would wear. Quite big cats, in fact. I ordered 2.5 meters, and it's just not me at all. But so I thought, I'm gonna have to make something for the Minerva blog, because they've sent me 2.5 meters of fabric. And my mum actually said, well, obviously it's not me. She knows it's not me at all. I wouldn't even, if I made something, it wouldn't get worn. Definitely wouldn't get worn. And she said, why don't I make some pyjamas or pyjama bottoms? And I thought, yeah, I'd wear them in bed. Definitely wear them for bed. So I'm going to make some pyjama bottoms. I'd like to make a pyjama set, but I don't think I've got enough to make the set. So definitely going to be pyjama bottoms. I mean, it's this gorgeous fabric. It's a stretch jersey fabric, 2.5 meters I got. Cute as, really cute. Gorgeous little cats on a green background, but it just certainly is not me. I thought there'd be tiny little cats, you know, quirky. No, too big. But won't be beaten. So there's the fabric. And I have got this pattern. It's the New Look Easy pattern. New Look Easy 6762. But it's got a lovely t-shirt type of top and some lovely bottoms. So I'm not sure I'm going to have enough to do both the top and the bottoms, because I would wear that as pyjamas. But I've definitely got enough to make the bottoms, and I will definitely wear them for bed. And if I've got enough, I'll try and make the top, but definitely in the bottoms. So that's going to be my sewing plans for this week. So it's going to be the cat, pyjama bottoms, the Roscoe blouse, and my favourite one, I can't wait to get started on, is the Almada robe. So that's me. So I'd love to know what you think of the fabrics that I've got. Let me know in the comments box below. Give me your feedback. Have you made any of these patterns? And if you have, what did you make and how did you find the patterns? And my next video, hopefully I shall be modelling at least one. I will be modelling this one, definitely, and hopefully I shall be modelling the Roscoe blouse at least, but I'm planning on doing all 3 this week. So here we are on the 9th of August, so I'm hoping to get all 3 made in a week, so I should be back with my next Sewing Makes video in a week's time, so the 16th, roughly about the 16th of August. So set your calendar and I'll be back then with my 3 makes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me that lovely thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell at the side. If you hit that bell, then whenever I do bring a video out, you'll get notified straight away. And so I'm going to be busy, and I've also got a few other crochet projects on the go over on my sister channel, Loopy Mabel Crochet, so you can pop over there too. And if you haven't subscribed to Loopy Mabel Crochet, don't forget to subscribe over there too, and then whenever I bring a video out, it'll be me popping up on your screen, whether it's on the crochet side or my handmade wardrobe side. But until the next time, please take care and happy crafting whatever you're doing. Bye for now.